Well, good morning, people. Today is the 16th. It's almost 6 a.m. here, Eastern Coast. And we're looking at gold here. As you can see, gold has been trading in the range for some time now. We expect the gold to be in this range until it breaks to either the upside or downside. At this point, nobody knows where it's going. If you look at the weekly time frame, if only this is open, you can see it is in a very tight spot right here. For me to trade this in, I'm expecting this to come back. I mean some pullback to this level or some to this level for me to be comfortable to trade it upside. Other than that, I'm going to stay clear of this tight spot until I see some movement to the downside or you break this level. It can retest the support before I'll be trading. Other than that, today I am neutral on gold until I see some movement on the downside. If you're trading gold today, be careful because it is in a tight spot, tight range. I hope this helped. I'll see you next time.